friends, welcome to Amazing World.
Let's study chapter 10, play with patterns. What do you mean by patterns? Repeated designs are called patterns. Patterns around us. In everyday life, we see many patterns. Is it?
Yes.
For example, we see this is barbed wire. Where we will see this barbed wire?
In the streets.
Yeah, in the fences and all, we will see like this wire. So it is a pattern. See, there is a knot in between, then a twist and a knot, then a twist, then a knot, and that is a repeating. This is called a pattern. Grills of a window. See, the grills of a window is in a pattern. And a snake. See the design in the snake. There is a repeated design all over the body of a snake. It's a pattern. Look around you and list 3 things in which you find some pattern. Sari, curtain, tiles, etc. You can find more and you can list it here. Draw some patterns which you have found around yourself. You can draw it in your notebook. Hello, I am Pallavi. I live in Jaipur. My city is known for clothes with block prints. Have a look at some of the block print designs made by my mother. But this is Pallavi. She lives in Jaipur and there it is famous for what? Clothes with block prints. Block print means block is a wooden piece. In that there will be a design imbibed in that block. And we will dip that block in the ink and we will press it in a cloth or in a paper or wherever we want to create a design. That is called a block prints. See, given below is a picture of block print design. It's one same block and they have arranged it in different ways. See, first one is in a straight and second one is little tilted, then again straight, then tilted, straight, like that. They had given a pattern for that design. This is called what?
Block print.
Block print. And these are famous in which place?
Jaipur.
Very good. She makes these designs by using blocks again and again. One day I got hold of the blocks and made a beautiful design. See, one day Pallavi also got hold of the design, a block, and she had made a different design. Look at, is it beautiful?
Yes.
You will see that these designs have been made by using the same block in different ways. Can you see a pattern in the way each block is repeated?
Yes.
Pictures in a pattern. I have made some patterns of pictures. I have used a rule for each pattern. Every pattern there will be a rule. Designs arranged according to one rule is a pattern. See, that girl is telling that I have made some patterns with these students. How she made it? See the picture. In that there are 2 boys and after that 1 girl. Again 2 boys, then 1 girl. 2 boys, 1 girl. Like that it's repeated. See this pattern. In this, one arrow is in the upward direction, other is in second one is in the down. Then next up, down, up, down, up, down. Practice time. Given below are some patterns. Figure out the rule for each and continue the pattern. First one, there is a blue pot, then a red. Blue, red. Then which color will come?
Blue, red. Blue.
Okay, blue, red and blue. Next is A, B, A, B.
A, B.
Yes, because here the pattern is AAB. So next will be AAB. See, 1 petal for a leaf, then a 3 petal leaves, then a 5 petal leaf. Then again 1, 3, 5. So next will be
1, 2, 3, 5.
Yes. D. There is a square and in that 4 small triangles are there. And in that small triangles, one is painted in blue. How it is shifting its position? See, from the first to second, it changed just to the left side 1 position. And from second to third, it again moved towards the left 1 more step. And it came at the bottom part. And in the third step, it again moved 1 step towards this type of movement is called anti-clockwise movement. That is, in a clock, the hands of the clock moves towards the right in a circular way. And here what is happening is the movement of the hand in the opposite direction. If the movement of the hand of the clock is called as a clockwise motion, and the opposite of that is anti-clockwise motion. We can finish the pattern like this in an anti-clockwise direction. Next, in this picture, a semicircular design is given and they are moving it in which direction? First one, they are moving it to the right, and from there again to this, again tilting in the clockwise direction. How the clock moves, like that, that semicircular portion is moved. So the rest, how we can do it? We can finish the pattern like this by moving it in the clockwise direction. Morning, afternoon, evening, night. Again morning, then next will be afternoon, evening, night. It will repeat so on. Drawing patterns. I have made a new pattern. See what she had made. First there is an arrow facing down and one up, and on next one there are two arrows downwards, two arrows upwards. In third there will be 3 and down and 3 up on the next. Next, how we will finish it? 4 will be down, 4 up, next will be 5 and then 5 up. Try these also. There is 1 square, then 2 squares on the first row and second row 2 squares, then 3 squares on first row, second row, third row. Then similarly 4 squares will be on the first row and there will be 4 such rows. Then 5 squares and 5 rows will be there. Next two designs can be filled like this. Number patterns. We have made some patterns with pictures. We can make patterns with numbers too, like 21, 41, 61, 81, 101. Like this we can make patterns with the numbers also. But there should be a equal number gap between the numbers. You know the next number, don't you? This is growing pattern. It can go on and on. See, 21 plus 20, 41, 41 plus 20, 61, 61 plus 20, 81, 81 plus 20, 101, 101 plus 20, 121, 141, 161. Next is 181. Look for the rules and continue these growing patterns. 51, 56, 61, 66. Then which number will come? Just see 51 and 56, and next row 61 and 66. So next will be
71, 76.
Then next will be 81. 7 dash 21, 28, 35. On seeing this, what we can understand? 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28, 7 5s are 35. That means it's a multiplication table of 7. So after 7, what will come? 14. 14, then 21, 28, 35, then 7 6 are 42, 7 7s are 49, 7 8s are 56. 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. What we can get? 2, twice of 2 is 4. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 8, 16. 16 plus 16, 32. So next will be 32 plus 32,
64.
64 plus 64,
128.
128 plus 128,
256.
very good. D, 12A, 13B, 14C, then what will be the rest? 15D,
15D,
16E. Its numbers are just moving 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and A, B, C, D, E. Simple. Look at these growing patterns. Find out what to add to each number to get the next one. Growing patterns means some definite number was adding to the previous one. And likewise we are adding and adding and adding and growing our pattern. So we have to find out the answer of these questions. A, 1, 3, 6, 10. 1 plus 2 equals 3. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. So what will be the next number? See the adding pattern 2, 3, 4. Plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. So next will be plus
5.
10 plus 5 is equal to
15.
Next will be plus 6. 15 plus 6 equals
21.
21 plus 7, 28. 28 plus 8, 36. 36 plus 9, 45. I think so now it's clear for you. Next question. 0, 2, 6, 12. What is there happening? 0 plus 2 is 2. 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. That means adding on the even numbers. After 6, 8. So 12 plus 8, 20. 20 plus 10, 30. 30 plus 12, 42. 42 plus 14, 56. 56 plus 16, 72. 1, 3, 7, 13. 1 plus 2 equals 3. 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 6 is 13. Here also adding the even numbers. So next, what will be the number? 13 plus 8 is equal to 21. 21 plus 10, 31. 31 plus 12, 43. 43 plus 14, 57. 57 plus 16, 73. Next is 2, 3, 6, 11, 18. See, we can see 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 5 is 11. Means there is an addition of odd numbers. We can finish it similarly. 18 plus 9 is 27. 27 plus 11 is 38. 38 plus 30 is 51. 51 plus 15, 66. 66 plus 17, 83. Secret messages. Amrita and Paritosh are writing secret messages. See, these two guys, they are writing some secret messages. How they are writing? 3W3, H3E, 3R3E, 3-1, 3N, 3T, 3. We can't understand it, right? Can you tell what they are trying to say? These are two secret messages. Look for the patterns and find the hidden sentences. How we can find out? We will remove all the 3's. If we remove the 3's from Amrita's message, it will be WHERE. That is what? Where. ARE. R. YOU. Where are you? And from Paritosh, it is IN. In. THE. The. CANTEEN. In the canteen. These are two secret messages. Look for the patterns and find the hidden messages. So first one is 1 I, 2 L, 3 O, 4 V. So what we will do? We'll cut all the numbers and we will read it as I love you. Next, ATBHCIDS. What is that? We'll cut the A, B, C, D from that. So what it will become? THIS, this. Next is EBFOGOHK. We'll cut EFGH. Then it will be BOOK, book. Next is IIJS. We'll cut one I and J. So it is ease. KFLUMN. We'll cut KLM. So it will be FUN, fun. So this book is fun. Even and odd number patterns. See, there is a grid of numbers up to 100. Half these numbers are in yellow color. What patterns do you see in these numbers? And in this yellow color, what is the speciality?
It's even numbers.
Very good. Continue the same pattern and fill in the blanks. So we have to fill the following according to the even or odd numbers. Okay. 96, 98, then
100, 104, 106, 108, 110.
And 112. How far can you continue this pattern? You can continue up to how much you can count, right?
Like infinite.
These numbers have special name. They are called
Even numbers.
Do any of these even numbers end with 3 or 5?
No.
What do even numbers end with?
End with 4 and 6.
No. 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. Even numbers always ends in these numbers. Look at the pattern of numbers in blue. Continue the pattern and fill in the blanks. 99, 101. The next is 103, 105, 107, 109, 111, 113 and 115. What do the numbers in blue end with? Numbers in blue are odd numbers. Odd numbers end with which numbers? 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. See here, these all are odd numbers, and see the last number of each digits 99. Which is the last number of 99? 9 is the end number. And 1 is the last number. 103, 3 is the ending number. 105, 5 and 107, 7 and again 109, 9. So the ending numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. All are odd numbers. All the odd numbers between 400 and 410.
401, 403, 405, 407, 409.
Write all even numbers between 155 and 165.
156, 158, 160, 162, 164.
If we add 1 to any odd number, we get a dash number. Tell me an odd number. 3 is an odd number. 3 plus 1 is what?
4.
4 is even or odd?
Even.
5 is an odd number. 5 plus 1 is?
6.
6 is even or odd?
Even.
So, when we are adding 1 to any odd number, we are getting an even number. If we add 1 to any even number, we get dash number. 2 is an even number. 2 plus 1 is?
3.
3 is an odd number. 4 is an even number. 4 plus 1 is?
5.
5 is an odd number. So, if we are adding 1 to any even number, we will get an
Odd number.
yes. What do you get if you add an even number to an odd number? If you are adding an even number to an odd number, for example, 2 plus 3 equals
5.
which is an
Odd number.
odd number. Names in an order. Adil has to arrange this list so that the names starting with A come first and then comes those with B, C, D and so on. Number these names in the order in which they will come. This is how your class attendance register is made. First will be the student whose name will start with A. Then next will be B, C, like that it will go on. Here we have to help Adil to arrange these names in the alphabetical order. That is from A, starting from A, we have to arrange it. So how we will arrange it? And we have to give the roll number. The first one whose name will start with A will get the first number. Then we have to search for the first. Which one is the first? A is Adil. Adil will be roll number 1. Next is B. With B, who is there? Baichung. Baichung will be the second number. Then with C. Anyone is there with C? No. Then with D, anyone is there? No. Then E, is anyone is there? Yes. E. Elvis is there with E. So he will get the roll number 3. Like that we have to complete the following. In this way we can arrange the numbers to students. Jalaj is proud to have a special name. He says if you read it backwards it is still the same. See, Jalaj, and if you are reading it from the backwards also Jalaj. That is same. Jalaj. Which of the following names have the same pattern? Mark. Harsh, Harsh. If you are taking it from backwards, it will be Hsrah. So it is not a special name. Anna, Anna, and backwards also Anna. It's a special name. Kanak, Kanak. Backwards Kanak. Special name. Munna, Munna. Annum. No, it's not a special name. Ongbi, Ongbi. Ibgno. It is also not a special name. So special name are Anna and Kanak. With this we finish our video, and if you like this video, please
Like, share, subscribe this video. Bye bye. See you next time.